just pays at you. You look, it's. That's why I need to know between these two. Somebody. Yeah. Guys, abaphuthelwe ekseni abangayitholanga ibreakfast ekseni ngizonikeza manje sanibona guys ncase bengisabhizi ngi-live woza mfethu umamkhululi omdala sizopreacha lana. How are you guys doing? Please make my day, guys. Please vote. Guys, how are you? How is your day? You know? Yes, just like very so feel vote and but I feel and so bad. Okay, vote. Okay. Hi guys, how are you? How did you sleep? I changed my outfit, yeah. Oh, you missed my first one. So tell us to see we live, yeah. Miss Alan. Baby 541136. Guys, ulela uvuli bakithi. 424323. How are you guys doing? Hello kids, hello 40. Guys, if you are in this live right now, please help me vote for my child. Sizovota bakithi lana iyona inhloso yethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi nikhathele ukungizwa ngikhuluma ngabo.
You know she wrote that on a WhatsApp station that guys ngicela manje it's the last time. Ngishilo ukugcina ngci.
Woza phezulu nkosinathi manje nawo sihlayethu zami.
Wena buza umnyeni ngegama.
Ngoyibona.
Ayikho inhlonipho.
Uyamfuna vele.
Mamkhulu lomdala okhombisa indlela.
Anyway, guys, njengoba nisibona namhlanje Nkosi yami ngilana ama colleagues ami sizongqoqozela ukuthi nivotelele enye colleague yethu encane bakithi.
Ikusasa lethu. Ovula indlela.
Wow, Nkosi yami.
Ovula indlela impela.
I really want to win this competition. Am I married? Yeah. I really want to win this competition. Lento le isingami guys ngoba ngisho
batshela ngale 444 tonton.
Yeah, ngisayizwa lapho.
Ngena kuthika dabeni.
Guys, I promise you angeke ngisakhala umabusa ngiyasakhala ningivotele. Ningivotele ngana. Angithi siye Mozambique manje sothatha izinto siyabuya. Izoba right ingane nezo. Ngiyanihlebela ke ningangicibi kodwa ke.
Black Pearl, when I just vote.
Just vote,
Please,
guys. Straight to
okay,
the
so today if you vote, you get 4 votes.
Ivy Dolly.
For 1.
What's up?
4 for 1.
Solo vote Ivy Dolly. Us vote today. You vote once, it equals to 4. So if you're putting in like 1 rand hypothetically via the bank, it equals to 4 votes.
Imagine.
It's actually better than just an SMS because an SMS is only double today.
Imagine.
So if you put in $100, that's 400 votes.
Triple nice.
Okay, so wekhulu abazali mina kumamkhulu.
Yebo mamkhulu.
Sangenile kumamkhulu. Guys, please vote for ingane yami bakithi. Ingane yami, all the details are pinned. Please do it today as soon as possible, guys. Just airtime.
Yes. Airtime yakho u30 rand.
yakho.
Donation kahle kahle.
Nivotele
airtime for this year. Okay.
The most cutest baby ever. Ectalethu bakithi elikhalayo on cue.
Imagine.
Okay, bye-bye.
Phila mfethu, yeah. Uye, awuye.
Phila, please vote.
Uye. Sengivele ngivotile. Papi, it's not enough ukuthi uvotile. Hamba uye kwintombi yakho nayo ivotise nomama nomakhelwane siyavota. Nokubonga bathi they can't live without you. Naye she can't live without you. Mawuvotile kuphela. Mongavotanga ke web. Go to the website.
So not here.
No, go to the website and then
I thought it was an easier way.
Yeah, but didn't you say that sending one is the easy one? EFT.
EFT now.
The easy, yeah.
You can EFT money if you want to. It's on the page.
Some tribulation, guys.
Guys, imagine that child is so talented. We didn't hit him, we didn't punch him or anything. He just cries on, like, I think he can feel. Do you know what happens? I can feel if something is wrong. Guys, that kid is so talented. He literally just cries. Yeah. I think you can feel ukuthi we're agitated, and so it agitates him as well. Ububukwanele ngizokutshela uma uvotile. Aluvote, otherwise. Please vote. Uyamazi nje mfethu. Ave nini ezinhliziyo ezinhle siyabonga wendile nanothi nawe unenhliziyo ngiyabonga. Simtho vote. Simtho nganami. Uyamfuna yini? Nangu Simtho dlala. Ngazi amaselebe phela manje. Linto mfethu sokusupporta nawe uma uvotile kodwa qala. You in Mozambique. Direct Mozambique. Vote.
Yeah. Whatever. That's when I wish to see what very they didn't show it. What?
Guys, please vote, okay? See, Aman said everyone here has voted. Everyone here has voted. Stay voted this morning. There's our DOP. He's voting. Oh, mute. Siyavota, guys. We're voting. Sorry, I had to mute because the director was talking. We have to vote, guys. We have to vote for me. For us. For us. Please. Yes. Standing on my final. My final is in the bedroom. I'm standing here. Thank you, Lady Amo. God bless you. God bless you guys. It's just 30 rand. 30 rand. And I will forever be indebted to you guys and grateful. Forever. It's giving a little bit sore. You voted, Grizzy. Thank you, Curry. Before we vote, do a dance. I did a dance. Now I have to vote. Okay.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, you guys.
Alright, sit it down.
Quiet on set. So I'm gonna Villas. Good night, Sissy.
No, good night person is live.
Alright, sharp.
Same thing.
I'm chefing.
Shakira.
Send man, you both.
Beyonce.
Say sharp, man. Unok bonga. Pamanja.
Hi guys.
Yabonga PK.
Thank you, Tatananda. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Today's a special day. We need to vote extra today because it's 4 for 1. Okay, guys? 4 for 1. Sophie, have you voted? Have you actually voted, my friend? Are you even my friend if you haven't voted? Please. Guys, hey! Ngikhona la watching live. Isibindi sakho sis. Remove the gown. This is not a gown, it's a dress. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Tabang, we're gonna block you. Don't do that. Stop, okay? Hello, Put Morgan. Hello, Put Morgan. Put Morgan, please vote. Put Morgan, please vote for my child. I'm gonna send you the details on WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. Don't, Rasta. Rasta, tell the people to vote.
Rasta?
Okay, I'm joking, Ruth. Tell people they must vote.
Please vote for our baby Vulindela. I don't remember the numbers.
It's there. It's right there. It's pinned.
It's pinned there.
Yeah.
But please vote for our Vulindela, please, guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Wait,
you.
please see for them.
Yeah, I would.
Beyonce.
But man.
Hey guys, please vote. Please vote. Look at this.
Let's go for a take. Let's go for a take. Let's go for a take.
Let's go for a take.
So, yes, sir. Yes.
So after honeymoon, you AM now is
Competence. Alright, stand by. Let's put a body.
some
One about two, please. One about two. Off the radios. Roll cameras. Roll sound. Good. Thank you. Pause.
Hey, Uban.